Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the products that you must have and should use on everyday basis. They are all affordable, under 300 rupees. So let's get started. So let's start with one of my favorite moisturizer. This is Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So this is a super lightweight moisturizer, perfect to use as a primer before applying foundation. You can use it on everyday basis even if you're not applying makeup, and it leaves your skin really soft and supple and gives the right amount of hydration to your skin. It is best for oily skin because it is non-sticky, but even a dry skin type person can use it. It is that good. It is actually perfect for every skin type. It is best to use in this hot and humid season when there is so much hot outside and you want something that does not make your skin look oily and sticky. Trust me guys, it is a best moisturizer. If you have not get your hands on this moisturizer, please buy this, and trust me, you will not regret buying it. And the next thing I want to talk about is this Colorbar Nail Remover. This is acetone free and it is infused with protein and vitamin B5. It does its job perfectly in no time. The smell is amazing. It has not got that strong smell and no foul smell coming out of it. It is a cruelty-free brand, which is a big thumbs up, and I think you must try this remover. It's only for 125 rupees. It nourishes your nails and do not leave them looking yellow or anything nasty. It is a great quality product. Now let's talk about something which is very important and you should include in your daily routine, and that's the first thing you should apply on your face after washing your face, which is this sunscreen. I'm talking about this Biotique sunscreen. It is BioCarat 40 plus SPF UVA UVB sunscreen, and it is for every skin type. That's why I'm suggesting this particular one so that everyone can use it. So apply the generous amount of sunscreen on your face and neck whenever you're stepping out of your house. And even if you're not going out, you should apply sunscreen because it helps to keep your skin protected against sunburn, sunspots, aging. Do not skip it guys. It is very important, and this one in particular is for every skin type and it's affordable. So if you are looking for an affordable and a good quality sunscreen, you can give it a try. It's neither sticky nor leaves white cast on your face, so you should definitely try this sunscreen. Now the next thing I want to talk about is this Nivea Roll-On. This is Pearl and Beauty Roll-On, which is 48-hour protection, 0% alcohol. It makes your underarms looking smooth and beautiful. This is something very important. As soon as you are done with your shower, you should definitely use this roll-on under your arms. So what we mostly do is whenever we step out after taking shower, we use deo and perfume everywhere, but we ignore our underarms, and which is like a crime because that's the area where everyone sweats the most. So as soon as you are done with your shower, you just need to roll on under your arms, and it's going to leave your underarm area feeling fresh and soft. Now the next thing I want to talk about is this Nivea body lotion. It is infused with shea butter, and that makes it perfect to use for dry skin. Now, Nivea has the best body lotion for everyone and for everyday use. They really leave your skin feeling hydrated for almost a day. This one in particular is best for dry skin, but even as oily skin type person can also use this because it does not leave your skin oily. They are worth buying guys, plus they smell so good. Great body lotion. Now the next thing I'm going to talk about is this Livon serum. This is a great serum guys if you're having a problem of frizz, and especially in this monsoon season when everyone faces this frizz problem. This makes your hair frizz-free. I'm not saying that it removes the frizz to the 100%, but to a great extent it helps in curbing the frizz. Plus it makes your hair more manageable and tangle-free. Plus it is not oily, so do not worry that after your head wash your hair are going to get oily after using it. All you need to do is take 3 to 4 drops, or depending upon your length, take the drops, rub your hands like this and apply only on the length of your hair, and whatever is left in your hands, all you can do is just gently press like this and you are done for the day. And trust me guys, after applying this serum, your hair will look very smooth and shiny. It has an amazing fragrance. Now the next thing I want to talk about is this curler. Now I bought this online for I think 105 or something. It was on discount on Nykaa, and I was looking for an affordable eyelash curler. Now why I'm suggesting this eyelash curler to all of you is because it just instantly changes the way your lashes look. Even if you are not applying makeup, you can use it. All you can do is just bring your lashes on the top, and you just need to press it gently, and your lashes will look really good. They will look lifted, they will look better. And who does not want their natural lashes to look beautiful and lifted rather than those flat looking lashes? It's a great tool to use before applying mascara and false lashes. Please curl your lashes using this tool and your lashes are going to look really beautiful. Plus there are many affordable options online, so you can buy any one. So the next thing and the last thing I want to talk about in this video is this aloe vera gel. This is Patanjali aloe vera gel. It is talked about by almost everyone who is into makeup and skincare, and it possesses some great properties. So what you can do is that you can apply this 30 minutes prior your shower, and you can just leave it like that and just wash your face after 30 minutes, and you will definitely experience the difference that your skin has become soft. Plus you can use it in many DIYs for your hair, for your skin. Plus what you can do is that apply a thick layer of this aloe vera gel on your face, wash it the next morning with tap water, and if you're going to apply consistently for weeks, you'll see great results, great changes in your skin. Regular use of aloe vera can bring a lot of good changes in your skin, so all you need to do is use this on an everyday basis. There are many options available online, there are many brands available online, so you can buy one and try one. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Please hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I'll be uploading a video in future. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay positive. Bye.